Today, we're going to talk about a very simple service mistake. It's so simple, you may not know why it's important or if you're making it. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. This one little, and I mean little, service tweak may help you go from zero to hero in the serving department. But before we get to that, if you want to stay in the know about all things pickleball for people over 50, whether it's playing better or fitness or equipment, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and then the bell. That way you'll know whenever I post a new video. After you hit your serve, are you aware of where you're standing in the court? If you are, put a yes in the comments below. If not, put not so sure or a no. One of the most basic strategies to pickleball is to make your opponents hit the ball while they're on the run. It helps to increase the chance that they'll make an error. I've found that when people hit the serve, they're not always aware of where they're standing in the court after the serve is finished. If you've inadvertently taken a step into the court after your serve and you're not aware of it, you're making your third shot harder. You may need to take the ball on a short hop, which is hitting the ball when it's rising, or you might need to step backwards to hit the shot. And you probably already know, it's easier to be moving forward to hit a shot than it is to be moving backwards. If you need a few more serving tips, I have created a playlist just for you. If you got value from this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, a like, or better yet, share it with your pickleball playing friends. Because together, we can train smart, live bold, and age well.